Okay, so here it is, OG welding helmet. All clear coated. Thank you, Ron Cohn, man. I sure appreciate you taking care of that for me. And this turned out to be a pretty cool piece. And now we've got it all put back together. Try to get some better pictures, a couple videos of it. A lot of fun detail. Let me try to spin it around the other way. More detail on this side. And it turned out pretty cool. Had fun with that. All freehand airbrush there. Of course, not for the lettering, but for the eyeball. Check out Paige O'Grady, OG Welds on Instagram. Again, this was a fun project. Looking forward to the next one.